What's up, fellas? Just a quick little ammo update. It's a little noisy out here. It's like 95 degrees right now, so we still got the swamp cooler on the patio. Anyway, scored 10 more of the PDX 410, $3.50 a box. 8 of these, $1.50 a box. I've been chasing this. I was able to get one. These fuckers are like a unicorn. $7. 6 of these, $1.50. 38 special, $5. Tag for the bag. There's your prices, whatever. Was only able to get 3 at a different Wally. And then I'm sure you guys remember the value size 215 pounders at Walmart, what, $7.98 or something. Anyway, I stumbled across these. This one's 15.4. Walked out of there, what, $3.77 each. Came out to $20.41 after tax. Don't overpay for nothing.